Alrighty, so today's video is going to be featuring LUVMEHAIR. I want to show you how I style this specific headband wig and a few others. Why do I keep forgetting my lines? Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoria, also known as Tori, and in today's video we're going to be styling some LUVMEHAIR headband wig options like this one and a few other styles. So if you're interested in giving your hair a break from frontals, closures, letting your edges breathe and just pop one and go, then stay tuned to the video. Alrighty, so this first unit is a 24-inch Deepwave. I'll kind of just turn around, give you guys full view. I actually already have a full-on unboxing of this video on my channel. I'll link it somewhere up here if you want to see it. This has just been my go-to. So yeah, this is the same. It's still holding up. I got it, I think, in October. Still looking good. I just washed it, brought it back to life. This is no oils, no product. Literally just washed it, air dried. This is, this is that one. This is that girl, okay? Because, baby, do I not look good? Do I not look good? I look good. Don't cap. So I'm not going to get into like really big specifics. I will just, show you where it falls. Like I said about breast length, or me, I'm like 5'1". This is one of the new pearl headbands. I really like this one. They sent this to me with a new unit I purchased. I'm not going to go full detail. I'll just show you a few styles with this. Again, I already have a video on it if you want to see it.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to.
Alright, so this is the second unit. It's the 14-inch summer style Deepwave bob headband wig. So similar to the first one, as you can see, it's just already pre-cut and shorter. Same details. Wash it, air dry, finger comb it. I like this unit. I feel like it frames my face really well. I feel like it's very low maintenance. This has kind of become my work wig, or if I'm just like going to pop out, not always do like a full face of makeup, but just, pop out, then I'll wear this, kind of letting you see the angles. Closer to the camera. You guys see how it falls in the back, like it has those nice layers cut. But I like this one. This is my second favorite wig. I just think it's really cute, really easy, really simple. I would say this is very much a beginner style type of wig. So if you're not really, used to headband wigs, then I would say start here. Alrighty, and this is the third wig. It is another 14-inch summer style bob. This one is in wet and wavy. So similar to the previous unit, it's just, more of a wave than like the Deepwave is, kind of curly. This is more like a wet and wave, like a body wave type of hair when it's wet. So this is the 14. This one, all I did was washed it and applied some mousse. I think it's really good if you're going for like that wet look, or just like, again, another throw in and go gym, grocery store, just quick outside, pick up lunch, work on a chill day. It's just really low maintenance, really convenient. And I think it's actually really cute. Like, it looks wet, but it's not. But it has like the wet look. So I like this unit. Again, it's just another one of my, top just low maintenance, beginner friendly units. Wig is the 18-inch Deepwave mixed color wig. So it's kind of got your brown, your caramel, your blondes mixed in with your black. It's so gorgeous. I'll turn around so you can see the color and the length from the back and the sides. This one is really like, I'm mad I missed the mark for spring or even summer. This unit is gorgeous. This color looks really good on me. I love it. It's really, nice, soft, no shedding. All I've been doing is running my hands through it to kind of get, you know, that big messy look that I just like with my hair. But this is gorgeous. This is top 3. I just love how it looks. Like, it just kind of changed the whole dynamic of this outfit or this look. Just adding pop of color in my hair. I love it. It's so beautiful. So I would definitely highly recommend purchasing this unit. I'm kind of salty a little bit. I wish I would have got it in the 24 like my other one. Like, this is nice, but I wish I would have had, you know, more hanging room, because this is just so gorgeous. Like, this, just gorgeous. I love it. This is beautiful. I'm gonna take this one off. Like, this is cute. Alrighty, so this unit is the 22-inch Wet and Wavy, so it's similar to the bob style I showed you guys earlier. Only this one is, you know, obviously full length. I like it. You know, I actually just unboxed this one, so I didn't wet it or put any mousse in it. This is how it looked, you know, fresh out the box. Just kind of running your hands through it. I will say, you know, just to be careful with this one, or, you know, just cautious. If this shows, like, it has a lot of loose hairs already. You know, it's nothing to make me say, like, oh, you know, I wouldn't buy it or anything like that. But my other units didn't shed at all. This one has quite a bit of shedding. But outside of that, it's really a cute unit. I'll turn so you guys can see, you know, how it falls on the back, let you see it kind of stand. This one, I mean, I like it. I wish, I don't know, maybe it had color, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. But even like right now, it is still shedding. Like, my other units, I didn't get any shedding, so this is kind of like really an unboxing. I actually forgot I had this one. But yeah, like, strings still falling out, still, like. But you know, you get what you pay for. It wasn't that expensive, and I'm pretty sure once I actually do coat wash it, I'm gonna get a bit more shedding. But the unit itself, you know, it's cute, nice volume, nice texture. This isn't even wet, but it has like that wet look. You know, you can wear it half to each side. You know, ponytails, up, downs, whatever. I think it's cute though. I'm not mad at it. You know, it does remind me of my Deepwave, um, in a sense, but I think this one is really cute. Alrighty, and this is the last unit. So I actually did go off camera and kind of play with this one, because this was an actual real or true unboxing too. This is the 18-inch Jerry curl unit. Like, all I did was wet it, ran my hands through it, added some mousse. This unit is really like 4C kinky curly hair. I love it. And it's not even like, I really want to add some gels, you know, like my natural hair products, so this mimics my hair texture. But like, when I really wear it, I want to really like define it. But like, for, you know, a little quick 6-minute, you know, play around, this unit is gorgeous. I'll turn so you can see how it falls. This hair is so thick, so tightly coiled and curly. It's so beautiful. I did have, you know, a lot of shedding, because it's really like condensed like in the package. But when you take it out and, you know, obviously stretch it out, I didn't comb it. I just kind of ran my hands through it with the products. This looks so good. Like, can you see? Can you see that texture? Like, that is gorgeous. Oh, I really love this. Like, so I don't know. Like, I don't know which unit is my favorite anymore, because I'm feeling a little bit conflicted. Like, I tried another one, It's like, I like this, I like that. This one I really like. I honestly genuinely like this wig. Like, this is cute. I like it. Yeah, I like her. She's gonna be like Diana Ross big. Oh, yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Alright, so if you made it this far, then we have reached the end of the video. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn the bell notifications on so you can keep up with my weekly content. And again, follow me on Instagram at AlsoKnownAsTori with the A at the end. And thank you guys for watching. And leave some comments down below, interact with this video. If you pick up any of these units, you know, let me know which ones you went with, and you know, see you in the next video.